Be sure to click on that subscribe button and then click on that bell icon to get more fresh tech videos in the future. Hey guys, this is Rushikesh Barkade from RiPixel Technology YouTube channel and I am back with another brand new video. Today's video I will be sharing with you guys how you can run the Android apps and games on your PC. Whether it could be Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and even the Mac OS. This method is really easy. It just requires installing a software which I'm going to talk about in this video, and from that software you can get full Android system in your PC, and from that Android system you can install any Android game or app in your PC. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fresh tech videos like this in the future. And also I want to say thank you to all of my YouTube subscriber and people watching this video, because we recently completed 20,000 YouTube subscriber on our channel, and 20,000 YouTube subscriber is a big number. That means 20,000 people wanted to see my videos. And with that being said, let's start this video. So the first thing you need to do in order to run Android games and apps in your PC is to download Android Emulator. There are many Android emulator, but the one I recommend to all of you guys is the Nox Player. This is one of the fastest Android emulator without any crash, without any lag and without any bugs. So in my case I have the Windows 10, but this will work in Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and even the Mac OS. You can download the Nox Player by searching it in Google or download from the link given in the description box. Once you downloaded the Nox Player, just simply open it and install it. It is very easy to install the software because you just have to click on the install button. Once the installation process is completed, you can open the Nox Player. Now you will get the fully functioning Android software on your PC, in which you can install any game or app using Play Store. For the demonstration purpose, I will be installing and playing the PUBG and will be showing to you guys. So enjoy a very short gameplay. That's it for this video. Now you will be able to run Android apps and games on your PC for free. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to smash a like to this video. Let's aim 100 likes on this video. Let's see if we can do that. And also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more fresh tech videos like this in the future. And with that being said, talk to you guys in the next video.